Today, I'm talking about 3 red flags that you need to avoid if you're trying to negotiate your personal injury lawsuit settlement yourself without a lawyer. I'm Natalie Gerry from Gerry Law. I help injured people get the compensation that they deserve for their injuries. Today, we're talking about getting compensation you deserve yourself. I would never recommend this because it is important to have legal expertise on your side. But if you are doing this, here are 3 red flags that should be avoided. The first red flag is accepting the first settlement offer that's given to you by the insurance company or by the defendant. You can rest assured that if an offer is being made early, it's probably because it's a low offer and they just want you to accept it so that they can close their file and not have the risk of your injuries becoming worse. You need to be aware that accepting the first settlement offer is a red flag, and I would say that's something to definitely not do. That being said, you do need to know what your case is worth, and for that reason, it would be good to speak with a lawyer to know what your case is worth. But the first red flag is accepting that first settlement offer. The second red flag of settling your own personal injury matter is signing documents without fully understanding what they mean. This could be the settlement papers, so the release. You do not want to sign those without fully understanding what you are releasing. It is important that you fully understand the document you're signing because it can really impact your future in that you may not be able to claim for future issues that arise, and you need to have a really good understanding of that before you sign anything. That second red flag is signing documents that you don't entirely understand. This should be avoided at all costs. The third red flag that can come up when you are negotiating settlement of your personal injury action yourself is failing to consider future costs. If you have injuries currently and you need help around the house, say, and you have been paying out of pocket and you've calculated those damages, you need to also make sure that you are capturing all of the damages going forward. So all of the potential costs that might arise in association with your injuries into the future. And it is really important that you do those calculations and that you make sure that those are included in the settlement. A lawyer will, of course, look at those things and will also advise you on any possible areas of damage that you might be overlooking that might not be as obvious. But it is really important that you make sure that you are assessing all of the potential damages that could be claimed so that you are not shortchanging yourself. There you have it, the 3 red flags that likely will come up when you're trying to negotiate your personal injury action yourself. If you like this video, check out my video about 3 things that you can do to ruin your personal injury settlement. That one is also relevant here. I'm Natalie Gerry, the principal lawyer with Gerry Law, and I'll see you in my next video.